Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on taking screenshots on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To take a screenshot, you need to hold down on the volume down button and the power button simultaneously for a few seconds. You will hear a noise and see the screenshot in the center of the screen for a moment. At the top of the screen, you have some quick options to share, edit, or delete the screenshot. To view the screenshot after the quick options disappear, open up the Photos app. Your screenshot will be saved in the Photos app, and you can send and edit it from there. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon Fire tips and tricks.